Hey everybody, it's Jason Blaha here, and it is time for part 2 of the Monday Q&A. So let's get to those questions. First question. Thoughts on ISATORI BIO-GRO if able without getting sued? I like that part. So I'm going to say this without disparaging this product in any way. I think BIO-GRO is a fantastic protein. It may very well be gram per gram as good of a protein and put as much muscle on you as whey protein does. Now, I'm not going to tell anybody not to buy this product, but I will say that for some people, it might be too expensive of a protein source to fit into your budget, because getting 50 grams of protein from BIO-GRO a day could get pretty damn expensive. So it's just a matter of if you feel that it is worth it as a protein source. And just remember, outside of its protein source and its amino acid content, it doesn't have any magical growth properties, but it does have a very, very good amino acid profile, and it is a high quality protein. I personally don't use it. I don't personally endorse it. But if you want to buy it as a protein source, then by all means do so. All right, next question. You said that 50% of 200 grams of protein is converted into sugar. Assuming satiation is not a factor and we are only concerned with body composition, why not cut intake by 50% and replace with carbs? Well, that's usually what I recommend. I tell people that they eat more protein than they need based upon the recommendations for top elite level strength athletes by the best experts in the world. And yeah, most of you guys eat so much protein that it does just convert to carbs, but it comes down to personal preference. Some people just enjoy eating more protein and less carbs. So in that case, that's a good reason. It's just about personal preference. For most of you guys who are eating 200 grams of protein, 250, anyone eating over about 100, 150 grams, unless you're a really small guy, then you can cut that lower. Yeah, a good chunk of it is just converting into glucose. It's converting into sugar, but it's just a matter of what foods do you enjoy eating to get that same amount of blood sugar and glucose into your body. Some people enjoy chicken breast, some people enjoy rice, some people enjoy pizza. Others might enjoy getting those same sugar from egg whites, and another from potatoes. So it's just a matter of personal preference, in all honesty. It's just, remember, there is a thermic effect difference that you need to keep up with in terms of the total net calories, because protein does have a higher net thermic effect. All right, last question in part 2. Is the combination of beef and macaroni going to provide all amino acids or just some of them? Okay, I've explained this over and over, and I guess people don't really grasp it. Almost all foods, with only a few exceptions, contain all the amino acids. In fact, most of them contain all 8 of the essential amino acids, and a lot of what people call incomplete proteins still contain large amounts of all the amino acids, the branched chain amino acids, including leucine. It's that they occur in different ratios, and that is what we base amino acid profile on. But once you start combining foods, oftentimes those ratios become less relevant, because your body doesn't care where it gets its amino acids from. It only cares about the net amount that it gets at the end of the day from all combined sources. And since most people eat way more protein than they actually need for gaining muscle or muscle tissue repair and metabolic function, then it really becomes a moot point. But to answer your question, both of the two that you listed have all of the essential amino acids, although neither one of them has a really amazing amino acid profile. Neither wheat nor beef is particularly fantastic. There are better sources out there, both vegetable and plant sources. All right, guys, so that's really all I have to say on that today. I hope it has been informative, and I will talk to you guys next time.